Okay, this is recording right now.
What you doing? You trying to go to Amsterdam in April? Amsterdam? How much would you charge to go and record all that trip?
Smell it right. Hey, yo, man, that was just right here. Just gave me some.
I swear I got the attention span of like a bug. This shit is like annoying, but this is my boy Jose. I'm not gonna tell you his last name for privacy reasons. Last video somebody said I was forcing my voice, bro. This is how I talk. Mind your business. Starting off with the shadow fade. Bear clipper is halfway open. If you see on the right top corner, you're gonna see the words finally up there for the people who can't catch my voice because I be just talking about everything. This is a tutorial, but I'm not gonna really talk about the steps because I got the steps up there. I'm only gonna say use your flicker motion so the fade don't be looking so strong and bold at the same time and shit like that. But yeah, this is my straight hair client. Yeah, I bet you guys didn't think that I had those. Well, their hair is very easy to cut depending on how you want to cut it and how they ask for the fade. You could cut it like you cut for a hair, but you know, it's still a different hair. So my client, he likes his fade low shadow. Usually, most of the time, I don't even like leave a lot of hair when I'm cutting this client because he has hair up the top. That's the only hair he cares to really keep. Everything else can go. I usually do a bald fade on this client because like I like bald fades, but this time I didn't. You see I'm on the zero guard close, flickering up, brushing down. It may not look like a lot, but it's about to come together soon. The hairline, he has a little widow's peak there, but it's not hair that's like just there. It's hair that's hanging over his hairline, so I can cut that. Never push back. I'm not using no enhancements this cut. Y'all should never use enhancements this cut. Don't remember nothing. Man, sometimes I gotta wake up in the morning and like go deal with people that like don't use traffic signals when they turn and stuff like that. Cause I use my skateboard and people don't use traffic signals at all when they're trying to turn and stuff. And that's the most annoying thing in the world. Like, who drives like that? Obviously, it shouldn't be me. Obviously, it shouldn't be me that's driving like that. Cause I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it for those people. I'm not gonna access. It'll shape up time. Shape up time. You see my ADHD takes me everywhere. It's even hard recording this video right now and doing this voiceover. Like I record the video at a different time, but the voiceover is the most annoying part to do because it's like I have to talk and I have to watch the video and then I have to think about what I want to say, but I don't really got nothing to say other than like, you know, be a barber, come to me to get your hair cut. Shape up is the most easiest thing when I'm cutting this client. As you see, the fade is shadowed. It's not to bald. Don't really know what to tell you guys. And just keep it on a whole 100. I'm only doing these tutorials because I like doing tutorials and I like cutting hair. And this is like one of the only things I can do out of my job that really requires me to work on cutting hair without actually cutting hair. And I'd be bored, man. There's nothing to do anymore out here. Like, at times I try to, like, find stuff to do, but I've grown out of a lot of stuff. And most of the time, I just realize a lot of stuff out here is just harmful for people. Like, it's not even fun to do certain things anymore. Like, it's very boring out here. No, I don't drink, so drinking liquor is not going to make it a situation more fun. It's just going to make it more dangerous. What's it called? I just be getting on the liquor. I hate the way it makes me feel. Even smoking weed, man. Having a sugar addiction. Like, smoking weed just gives you the munchies, and that's all you really get out of it. A couple laughs and some munchies. But it's really not that big of a deal to just be an avid smoker and have all your money going towards just smoking when there's so much to do in life. And this is sober talks, so I'm not even high when I'm talking about this. Like when I'm not high, I talk about how much being high is pointless. Even when going skating, you can see it mess up with your interactions on daily conversations, daily associations. Like when a girl walks up to me and stuff like that, I don't be knowing what to say. I don't know what to think about because my mind is not even on that level. Like I'm high. I don't know what to talk about. So I really just don't talk. I might try going places without smoking. See how that ends up for me. I know it's gonna be great though. Every day is gonna be a different fight because I'm really an addict when it comes to weed. I mean, I'm not an addict. I don't want to like wish that upon myself. Let me not say I'm an addict. I need to get off my Y'all don't need to get off anything. That was a random thought. Razor finish. You know, keep the hairline clean. Don't push back on the hairline because you know he has hair up top. There's no point doing all that extra enhancement stuff to kill his hairline. All the enhancement stuff just kills and kills and kills and kills. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching.